seated, corrective, or connection breath. You'll hear me use the two terms interchangeably. I really love starting out with this every single day before every single workout. It really helps to reestablish my mind-body connection. And when I get started with this, I do like starting to think of my breath from kind of my head all the way down to my toes. I like to make sure that I have good neck posture, that my head is facing forward. I want to make sure my shoulders are relaxed and I'm not breathing into my shoulders. I also want to feel full umbrella 360 expansion through my rib cage. So it is really again, it's a whole 360-degree expansion with the ribs. It's not just the front, it's not just the sides, it's not just the back. It's everything. Also, your abdominals are going to expand on the inhale and then contract or get smaller on the exhale. So I want to make sure I'm doing that correctly. Then I am thinking about my pelvic floor and am I able to utilize my breath with the pelvic floor? Sometimes it helps by adjusting my sit bones on the ground. And how I like to do it is to take a big inhale. And when I inhale, I want to think of myself as doing a full expansion like a balloon. So if I were a balloon, my ribs would expand, my abs would expand, my pelvic floor would push towards the ground. On the exhale, the reverse would happen. My pelvic floor would start raising up inside my body, and then I would start zipping up my abs and working that all the way up.